Let's see how to check Microsoft Word version. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to check the version of our Microsoft Word. And to do that, first, we can head on over to the File tab. And right here, depending on your current version, you should be able to see either the account or help. And for this one, let's go ahead and click on account. And right here under product information, you should be able to see the version of your Microsoft Word. So currently, I have Microsoft 365 as part of a Microsoft 365 Office. Now, you should be able to see here all of your information about your version of Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.